Today we are here at a house and we are installing the blinds, and these are the Foxwood blinds we have taken from Lewis. 2-inch blinds are usually preferred and it is white in color, so we'll show you the installation steps. So first of all, this is the blind and here we have the stick. This is an inside mount, so the measurement has to be taken from the inner diameter to that inner length there. And first of all, we'll be making 2 holes here, and then we'll be making 2 holes here and 2 holes to the right side. 3.
So the exact measurement from here to here is 35 inches. So what you have to do is we'll look at the middle slot here, the 3 slots that you can see. We'll look at the middle slot. All you'll do is just make a mark here. It's just an estimation. Mark it here. So whatever you saw here, just keep your clamp like this, goes on the inside. So just keep your clamp beside this, mark your holes. Make sure there's some space here so that your drill can go easily drill a hole. Same will do on the right side. Just leave some 2-inch gap and then mark your holes. Just follow the instructions on the size of the drill bit. My box is 3 by 32 inch. So, and you have to make sure this is the tip. So whatever your screw is, the drill bit has to be slightly lesser than the width of the screw. And we'll now just drill the holes.
So as you can see, as per the markings, the holes have been drilled. Now there are 1 couple on the left, 1 couple on the center and 1 couple on the right. Now this is the clamp. So if you see, there are 2 holes in the clamp. Now you need to place this clamp and tighten the screws in the holes. 3.
So the holes are done. Or now you'll just pick a screwdriver drill bit that will fit into your screw, and then all you'll do is you'll just start putting it in the hole.
Our blinds actually go into these clamps. So there are 3 clamps and all these clamps will be screwed into the holes in the left, in the middle and the right.
So your 90% work is done. You have 3 clamps here. All you'll do is you'll take your blind, you'll first insert it into this position and then just snap it. Just make sure they are fixed. That's it. You're done.
So this is how the installation of blinds is done. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.